Hi, this is Aidan, and welcome to this gentle meditation using the Relaxation Response, a simple practice to help your body unwind, your mind slow down, and your breath return to its natural rhythm, developed by Dr. Herbert, Benson. You don't need to achieve anything here. Just allow. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest naturally, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly. And again, breathing in deeply, and as you exhale, allow any tension to begin melting away. One more breath, and this time, as you breathe out, notice how easily the body begins to soften, almost without trying. Now, allow your breathing to settle. Let it happen all by itself. There's no need to control it. Just watch the breath as it flows in and out naturally, effortlessly. You might notice that the breath begins to breathe you, soft, slow, automatic. There's nothing you need to do. The body already knows how to relax. Now, gently scan your body, inviting softness. Start with your feet. Let them go. Relax your legs, hips. Soften your belly, your chest. Release your shoulders. Let your jaw loosen. Your eyes, your forehead. Each part softening just by bringing your awareness to it. You don't need to make it happen. It simply does. Now, bring to mind a calming word or phrase. Something simple and neutral. It might be peace, calm, one, or any word that feels restful to you. You'll begin repeating this word silently, in rhythm with your breath. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let the word gently arise in your mind. Breathe in and repeat your word on the exhale, softly, without effort. No need to try, no need to focus too hard. Just let your breath and word drift together like leaves floating on water. At times, your mind may wander. That's completely normal. If that happens, it's okay. It just means your mind is relaxing. Simply notice, and without judgment, return. Return to your breath. Return to your word. Return to ease. Each time you come back, you deepen your ability to rest, to trust your body, to let go. Let the rhythm carry you now. The breath breathing itself. The word returning on its own. Flowing gently. Breath after breath. There's nothing you need to change. Just let it unfold. Each breath draws you deeper into calm. the mind drifts, it's okay. Just return when you notice. Relaxation happens all by itself, without effort. Now, gently let go of your word. Let the repetition fade, like a dream dissolving in the morning light. Return your attention to the breath. Notice how the breath continues effortlessly, steady, natural, peaceful. Begin to sense the space around you. Feel the support beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently deepen your breath. Take a slow, full inhale and exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take your time. Let the calm linger. And know that this place of rest is always available, right here within you. Thank you for joining this practice. Be gentle with yourself today and return to this space anytime you need it.